The siblings. Right, we got the whole family here. This is gonna be a hoot. Let's get it started. Tweety and Sylvester are over there.
Tweety Bird, I love Tweety Bird.
Right over here. Sylvester and Tweety.
Hey friends, today we're in Arlington, Texas at Six Flags Over Texas Holiday in the Park.
Waiting in line for Pandemonium, and it just broke down. All these people are leaving. We're done.
Pirates of the Spelunker.
You're right in the middle. You got it.
Green or red? Red. Red. Thank you. Red.
Get it, Mamo! Michelle! Oh, that was horrible. I feel a little sick.
My teeth are cold.
Nothing to film.
No.
It's too hot.
Fast and Furious.
Batman the Ride definitely did its job, thrilling us every second of the way.
Getting ready, Mr. Freeze.
Next we tried Mr. Freeze, also thrilling. You go half the ride backwards. When I was a kid, I grew up in Arlington, and Six Flags Over Texas was my old stomping ground. I was a little disappointed not to get to go up onto the tower, which was closed today. Next, the Spelunker's Cave. It brought back a flood of memories.
Looks a little like they cut the legs off of the mannequin.
No time to try this. Unfortunately, you're allowed to have your Hiding place in the bewilderment. Ancient Spelunker ruins are nowhere to be found on the map.
Here's the classic Spelunker splashdown. Here they are, the classic Spelunkers.
be real soon.
I know these videos must sound like a broken record, but it really doesn't matter where you are as long as you're around people you love. And I've got the greatest family ever. Thank you guys. I remember as a kid seeing Jeff Dunham perform on these steps here at Southern Palace. Overall, this trip to my childhood haunt did not disappoint. The only negative was some of the food prices. $16 for a hot dog, or if you wanted a chip and drink with it, over $21. No, I wasn't that hungry. Thank you, friends, for joining me. All new adventures coming in 2024. Gently tap that subscribe button and we'll catch you clowns on the rebound.
Abadee, abadee, abadee. That's all, folks.